much too young when I first heard you sing your song, but now I'm a full-grown lady. Last time I heard you was out on the farm. Ooh, honey, baby, it's been much too long. But that summer, you drove me crazy, 'cause you were hiding underground, hiding from the world around, kinda like a ninja turtle. Except I don't think you like pizza. Nevertheless, I'll be glad to meet you when you come crawling out of your dirt hole. Cicada, periodical cicada, prefers hardwood to carnivorous trees. And you can call me oak, dog or hickory, 'cause I'll let you hang your shell on me. Well, male cicadas are really loud. Female cicadas, they don't make a sound. They lay 600 eggs, that's true, yeah. Well, guess what, male cicada? I'm probably as loud as you. Ain't 600 eggs and nothing compared to what I can do for you. Oh, cicada, you deserve a Grammy, like blood, sweat, and tears. And cicada, ooh, you're a player. You made me wait for 17 years. You know the thought that turns me on, views of an anorexic skeleton, leaving it to hang on the tree, yeah. And a quiver in the thrill of when you bump me near and whisper something to me in my ear. Bzzz. Oh! Cicada, can't wait to meet ya, and I can hear you half a mile away, yeah. Cicada, we'll have to hurry, you can only live for 40 days. You're not a locust, but you got the locust focus, and your locust focus spell is on me, yeah.
Damn it, dude, I'm sorry.